Noswaith, wrandawyr. Good evening, listeners. Croeso fy mhodlediad heno. Welcome to my podcast tonight. Cyhoeddi enw gorsaf ynni niwclear newydd ar safle Wylfa Môn. Announcing the name of a new nuclear plant power station on the Wylfa site in Anglesey. Cyfres pedwar a phennod rhif chant a 33. Series 4 and episode number 333. All the threes. Gwalia, Wales. So in the Middle Ages, I think, this was a name for Wales. Gwalia. It's a poetic name. It's in the name of a song that we're going to look at today. Heddiw yw dydd Gwener y chweched ar hugain o Fehefin 2026. Today is Friday, the 26th of June, 2026. Ac mae hi'n 9 munud ar hugain wedi 10 yr hwyr. And it is 29 minutes past 10 p.m. Mae gan o... Okay, I'll leave that bit. Onto the words for today. Gwalia is the nasal mutation of Gwalia, a poetic name, older name for Wales. Hoel, H-O-E-L, is a nail, a rivet, a pin, a peg, or the mark you make with something, like the impression or the imprint. And it can also be H added on to oil, which is another word for oil. That ointment kind of oil. Groen is skin, soft mutation of croen. Difrod, damage, depredation, devastation. Dried, feet, soft mutation of tried. Rhif, I will give from Roy. Gwalia is the Wales word again, which is the soft mutation of Gwalia. So we've had Gwalia, Gwalia, Gwalia. Ngwynfyd. Yeah. Bliss, joy. Nasal mutation of Gwynfyd. Gwynfyd. Clue. Hearing, earshot, hear as a verb. From clywed. Dorf. Crowd, throng of people. Soft mutation of torf. Vowel, F-A-W-L. Vowel. Praise, worship, soft mutation of mawl. Scriven, handwriting, writing, or wrote. From ysgrifen or ysgrifennu. In this song, it's used for writing on the wall. Mir, another word for wall, like wall, but it's more like mural, isn't it? Like or a Latin word for wall. Giriad, beat, beating, knock, knocking, pray, pulse, hope beat, throb. Ngalon, hearts, nasal mutation of calon. Lluniau, lakes, plural of llyn. Oll, all, or not at all. Gora, it's like gorai, best, with the U dropped off. Contraction, gora. Vrathi, bite, stab, nip, soft mutation of brathi. Dallu, to blind, dazzle, obscure. Ogledd, orllewin, northwest, northwesterly. Soft mutation of gogledd, orllewin. Cenhedlaeth, generation. That's an ith word again, feminine. Ends in A-E-T-H, it's an ith word, mostly feminine. Ynys Môn, Anglesey or Isle of Anglesey. Gyfuniad, blend, combination, fusion, soft mutation of cyfuniad. Gonest is honest, true, frank. Llechan, they hide, they will hide, from llechi. Queen, C-W-I with a roof over it, N, queen. It's just a colloquial way of saying queen, bryniness. Gyfarwydd. Storyteller, raconteur. Soft mutation of cyfarwydd. Orsafau, stations, Soft-mutation of gorsafau.
Canmoliaeth.
Lwyfannau.
Canmoliaeth.
Yeah. Stages. Soft-mutation of llwyfannau. Ffrydio. Flow, gush, stream. Signal. Suck. Gola.
Gola.
Cola in this case.
Gola.
Canmoliaeth. Praise, compliment. Soft-mutation of canmoliaeth. Wrandawyadau. Hearings, auditions. Soft-mutation of wrandawyadau. Wobrau. Prizes, awards. Soft-mutation of gwobrau. Neidia. I jump, I will jump, or jump as a command. Second person singular, command, imperative. Gwalia, Wales, that before. Poetic middle-aged name. Ffefrynnau, favourites, pets. Gigs is gigs. More than one gig. Concert. Berthnasoedd, relationships. Soft-mutation of perthnasoedd. Roi, R-O-I. Give or put. Soft-mutation of roi. Naws, N-A-W-S, rhymes with cows, cheese. Naws is atmosphere, feel. Ora, best. It's a contraction of gorai, O-R-A, like Rita Ora, but ora. Datblygedig developed. Allowon, tunes, melodies, or airs. Classical pieces, airs. Neuaddau, halls. Neuaddau, halls, plural of neuadd. Lleoliadau. Settings, placements, locations, positions, plural of lleoliad. Poblogaidd, popular. Soft-mutation of poblogaidd. Wrandawyr, listeners, soft-mutation of wrandawyr. Pumdegau, the 50s, as in the decade. And that's the words for today. And then we're going to go down, and we got a biography of the band Gwilym there on the page. I'm not going to read that out. It's up to you to come over and read it. And then there's some song lyrics for the song Gwalia. Wyt ti am ffeindio dy galon ben dy hun? Do you want to find your heart on your own? Oh, fy ngwalia, oh my Wales. Mae'n rhaid bod mwy i'r llew na'r llun. There must be more to the colour than the shape, or there must be more than meets the eye. Mae'n rhaid bod mwy na hoel paradwys dan dy groen. There must be more than an imprint of paradise beneath your skin, or you must be more than a pretty face. Pan ddaw difrod ti ar dy draed, when destruction comes, you are on your feet, or when disaster strikes, you always land on your feet. Pan ddaw dy awr gwell, dwylo coch na dwylo gwaed. When your hour comes, better red hands than bloody hands. Better to be caught red-handed than with blood on your hands. Daw dy ynni, your birth or your rebirth will come. Gwlad fy ngeni, land of my birth, my homeland. O Gymru, ro fi ti fy mywyd. O Wales, I'll give you my life. O Gwalia, ti ydw fy ngwynfyd. You are my happiness. O Gymru, ro fi ti fy mywyd. O Wales, I'll give you my life. O Gwalia, fy heilwen wyt ti. You are my sunshine. O fy ngwalia, O my Wales, clyw y dorf yn canu. Hear the crowd singing. Can o fawl amdana ti. A song of praise about you. Clyw y credu. Hear the believing. Oes ystyr dan ysgrifen ar y mur. Is the meaning beneath the writing on the wall? Wrth I guriad fy ngalon fynd yn hun. As the beating of my heart grows older, o fy Gwalia, o my Wales, a lliw y lluniau'n holl gytun, and the colours of the lakes totally agree. Not sure if that line's right. Mae'n rhaid rhoi gorau frathu tafod. We must stop biting our tongues. Daw ein dydd, our day will come. And then the chorus again, and then ti'n gweld i'n syllu, you see me staring, at ble mae'r golau'n dallu, towards where the light is blinding. Ti'n gweld i'n syllu, you see me staring. Chorus bits again, we've already done. Repeat, repeat. Eat, sleep, repeat. Right, some words from that then. Oit, yeah, from board. Yeah. T, you, am, is about. Feindio, yeah, let's go for the new ones. So, find. Gwalia, Wales again. Nasal mutation of Gwalia. Hoil, nail, rivet, pen, peg, stake, mark, impression, imprint, or oil. Paradwys, paradise. Difrod, damage, devastation. What else we got there? Gwalia, Wales, mutation of Gwalia. Gwynfyd, bliss, joy, happiness. Nasal mutation of Gwynfyd, Gwynfyd. Giriad, beat, pulse, mutation of Ciriad. Dallu, blind, dazzle, obscure. And then there's games, of course, for all them, and tense games as well. The word for today in other languages is Cymru, Wales. So you'll see there that the Irish, the word almost is Britain, Britain. So that's cool, isn't it? And then the Manx for Wales is Breton, which is, again, like Britain. And then three of them, for Cornish, Breton and Latin, are all like Cambria. And then Portuguese and French is like country of the Gauls. Interesting. And then in the Japanese, in the sort of Far East languages like Korean and Japanese and Chinese, they just copy the English, like Weirsu. Trying to like say it like it would be said in English, like Wales. Yeah, that's interesting to see that. Some news for today. Pryder cynyddol am gerddwr 74 oed sydd ar goll yn Eryri. Growing concern for a 74-year-old hiker who was missing in Snowdonia. Dyn o Lanelwy yn eog o lofruddio ei gymodog ar ddydd Nadolig. A man from St. Asaph is found guilty of murdering his neighbour on Christmas Day. Sir Gar, dyn 19 oed yn cyfaddef iddo ysgarthu mewn pwthnofio yn fwriadol ar sawl achlysur. Carmarthenshire, a 19-year-old man admits to defecating in a swimming pool deliberately on several occasions. Arestio dyn lleol 50 oed ar ameiaeth o lofruddio ym Mrymbo ger Wrexham. Arrest of a 50-year-old local man on suspicion of murder in Brumbo near Wrexham. Cyfrifoldeb ar bawb. Sbwriel yn broblem gynyddol ar draeth yn Aberystwyth. Everyone's responsibility. Litter is a growing problem on a beach in Aberystwyth. Well, I'm going to have a look at that because I'm going to Aberystwyth tomorrow. Yes, there'll be no podcast tomorrow or Sunday, I don't think. I am having a break. I'm going to meet some people. When I first started doing this website and podcast, someone got in touch with me who used to live in Dolgellau but now lives near Manchester. And we got gaming. And there was gaming in Welsh and a few other people joined. I had a problem with my computer. Left it alone for a bit, but I kept in touch. Met up with them at a festival where I was volunteering in Mold the other week. And met up with two of them. And then we're going to meet with more of them tomorrow in Aberystwyth. And A guy's coming from Germany, driven from Germany through Europe, coming with his mum and his sister, coming to have a check around Wales, and he's meeting up with us. And then we got a girl coming from Cardiff, myself, another guy who's coming from near Manchester, and then a guy coming from near me in Ruthin Way, North East Wales. So yeah, there's a few of us meeting up, so that'll be interesting. We're all a bit sort of shy in a way, because we prefer to game and chat online rather than meet in person at first and stuff. But no, we're meeting, so that's cool. And I've gone from not going out to sort of doing more and meeting more people, and that it's good. Anyway, the lesson's done. I'm having a break for a few days. I'll see you on Monday. Ta-ra.